Welcome back, everybody, to Ladybug Lane Soaps. This is Margie, your hostess for the mostest, and because I need to get going on making about 60 of these oval baby shower soaps. It's going to be a drive-through baby shower. First time I've ever heard of that, but with the COVID and everything, that's just the way it's going to go. So let me show you. Hopefully you can see these. So this is just some storks made out of melt and pour. I don't know if you'll be able to see them that well, but there they are. And so I'm gonna, it's not gonna be a fancy soaps, but I'll be using these, and this is from Nurture Soap, and they're very sturdy. And so what I've been doing, I made a batch last night. It was just kind of this light green, and then I just plunked one of these storks on top. And so tonight I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I have some yellows and blues and green, and the mother-to-be sent me the card, whatever. It's kind of a soft jungle theme. So I'm just kind of taking the colors from that and going with that. So we shall see. That's why I got everything over here. And so I guess, folks, without further ado, let's get going here. So I already have the kaolin clay mixed in here. Alrighty, and I think, okay, and once again, I have the lye lint. Oh, was I going to take the temperature? Oh, I think this was like around 90 this time. I don't know if you can see just this little bit of white little floaties. I don't think it's going to hurt anything, but it just doesn't quite look great. So let me get this out of the way. There we go. Okay. Just want to hand mix that. And so this is a 1.5 to 1 ratio between the oils and the butter and the liquid. Alrighty, and I made up some homemade sugar syrup, if I can get it open here. And so that will hopefully increase the bubbles. And I'm going to put in, oh, do I want to put a tablespoon in? Yeah, I think I have almost 6 pounds of batter, not batter, but okay, so that will be that. And then let me just give that a little stir here. And then I'm almost out of my sodium lactate, but I thought, you know what, I'm just going to dissolve some table salt in some very boiling water. Well, of course, in some boiling water, and voila, I made some. And so that's on standby here. So I have, like I say, okay, so here's the Avobath that I'm going to be using. Titanium dioxide. And here's my colorants. I better get them over here. Okay, so I just want to actually, yeah, let me just give this just a quick little buzz here. Come on, just quick. Whoop, hello. Okay. I want to keep fluid. Okay. Now let me, just going to take some of this batter, measure it off, not measure it off, put some in here, a little bit more, get some blue. Okay, a little bit more. All right. Oh my gosh. Oh. Ah. I've been doing something like that for quite a while, huh? All right. All right, so let's get this in here. Oh my gosh. Can't open it. And hopefully this will not accelerate. Okay, and then here is the homemade salt solution, I should call it. And you know what? I'm just gonna do a half of a tablespoon or so. Okay. I don't want that to be super accelerating. Not to be fun. Alrighty, we're almost done. I think I'll set this guy off to the side here, and what a mess I made, huh? Oh, jibber creepers. Okay, so I need to get these little storks on here. And this one here, oh my goodness. Phew. Okay, maybe I can just kind of do a, okay, that one didn't turn out quite so smurfy, but I was working fast. It started to thicken up a little bit on me. That's all right. Okay, let's get these guys on here. Okay, so they're going to be, I suppose I could put them that way so they're not upside to you. There we go. Get in there. Yeah, so this should be interesting to see how this inside is gonna look. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I think about, oh, maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, I caught, I think it was the Omicron from one of my sons who was coming back home for a visit for just a couple of hours, and man, I tell you, it really knocks the stuffing out of you. Just leaves you all tired and everything, but yeah, I'm all better now. But yeah, I was a little bit behind on making these guys, so that should be interesting. So all right, let's see what I can figure out with this guy here. Oh my goodness. That is a mess. Slosh, slosh. Yeah, that still is kind of soft, so I will let that be for a little bit. All right, gang, thank you so much for joining me. And if you have enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button that I think is down there. And, well, yeah, at the end of the credits, yeah, down there. So anyway, and give me a thumbs up. And I always love to hear from you, whether you are a subscriber or not. Let me know how your day is going. And it's, let me know where you're from. If it's from Japan, Canada, Bulgaria, you know, just it's just kind of neat just to see where everybody is from. So, all right, gang, I will be popping this out hopefully in the next day or two, because I need to be making 60, a minimum of 60 of these ovals, and I'll be using different fragrances and maybe kind of changing up the color. So, all right, gang, thank you for joining me. Bye-bye. Have a good day.